Well, good morning, YouTube. This is Chris. Me and Steve's about to head out this morning, go do a maple tree, but I ain't got to grind stumps on it, or grind the stump on it. But he's hooking up the trailer, but I already got a problem this morning. I got a little, I need to fix the tire real quick on this skid steer. I pulled up and it was low, and I busted the bead on it. Show you real quick a quick fix for it. You need to get you some safety goggles. All right, YouTube, what'd that take? What, 3 or 4 minutes? Maybe 5? I don't know. Didn't take long, but that one might need. Let me check it. That's about right. Alrighty, that concludes the lesson for the day this morning.